Hello, let's unboxing the iPhone 17 Pro model. It's a Singapore variant and 256 GB and color is orange, my favorite color. So let's unbox it. The box, and this is the phone. It's comes with the papers, and this is the cable and on SIM erasing, so you can insert your SIM by using this cable. Now this is the phone. Now let's open it, and if I go to the close section, you can understand the color. Let's check the temperature. It's 93, body is 93 also. I have the iPhone 16 Pro, and if I compare those phones, same size, and this is the phone back part, and this lighter than iPhone. It's lighter and it's a little bit heavy. Now let's turn on and set up. Press and hold the power button, and if you want to insert your SIM, you can use this kind of pin by pressing this button. Then you can easily insert a SIM. I want to add my SIM later. Now you have to enter your language and select your region. So once done, now select medium large. I want to select the default option. Now set up without another device, but if you want to transfer all data from this phone or this phone, then you can easily press on continue. Then all data will be sent from this phone to this phone. So I want to do this later. Set up without any device. Use select setting, and you have to enter your Wi-Fi so once you connect your Wi-Fi, it will loading like that. So it's take a minute to active your phone, so wait a couple of seconds. Now software update later, and privacy, press on continue, and I am adult. And if you want to set up Face ID, you can do it now, or I want to set up later, but you have to enter a passcode. Use anyway. And now the option is again available. If you want to transfer data from iCloud from another iPhone, or if you want to transfer data from Android, you can also do it, but I don't want to transfer anything. Don't transfer anything. Now you have to enter your Apple ID. to continue other sign in option. If I press on other use multiple account, use another device to sign in, so you can, if you forget your password, you can use another device. But I am to enter my user ID and password right now. Once you enter the email address, you have to enter your password as well. Once done, press on next, then it will be sign in automatically. So you have to enter your code, press on send code. Once you enter the code, your iCloud is active. Now press on agree. Now enter your passcode on your iPhone 16 Pro. So I am entering my iPhone 16 Pro passcode here. Oh, it's not working. Let's try with another passcode. Problem with this option, then press on don't have passcode and only download automatically. Update your iPhone automatically. No, only download automatically and set up later. Press on OK. Now your phone is ready to start. And this is the eSIM part. If you have eSIM, then you can scan it right now, and if you don't have, press on setup later and set up later on this setting as well, screening time. Now share with Apple analytic data. I don't want to share my data. And auto, I want to select the light and auto, press on continue. And if you want to enable your Apple Intelligent, you can set up Apple Intelligence here, but I am to set up this also later. Press on continue. Not now. Press on continue. And welcome to iPhone. Press on get start. My iPhone is ready to use. So that's it. If video helpful, please subscribe and thumbs up. Have a good day. Thank you.